How to share someone's story on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can share someone's story on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To share someone's story on Instagram, there's two types of scenarios. One is if you're mentioned in the story, the other is if you're not mentioned in the story. So if you're mentioned in the story, you will most likely also get a DM that this person mentioned you in a story. So you can just go ahead and then basically actually re-add that or reshare that to your very own story. If you're not mentioned in the story, the only way you can share that story is if you go ahead and then take a screenshot of that particular story. So you can just go ahead and then take a screenshot of that story, and once you have done that, you can tap the plus bar over here. You can simply add that particular story that you shared, and then you can simply mention that person if you'd like. This way you'll be able to share someone's story on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.